Hey everyone. So for this week, for the final project weekly guide, I was looking at the expectations to try to do it on Castify or some other um, software. I tried to look at it. I don't have a lot of time before this assignment is due, so I decided to go old fashioned and I printed off my assignment. Still did everything as far as like what to fill out and whatnot. I just did it on paper instead. So for the first thing, it said to put a star next to the five most important sentences. For me, I obviously the first one that I did right here, sorry, is right here, and it says to to record audio narration using Castify, Vineyard, or Screenomatic. Very very important because it gives information as to how to do these projects in the future. So I will try to use that in the future. But that's one thing I found highly important. One of the things that I underlined for two or more important statements is on the second page, and it's up here. And that just talks about the response videos that we have to do. Every week we have to submit a video, which is huge, but then our responses is even more important because one's due on Monday and one's due on Tuesday. And every week they rotate for the responses. Like this week, or for week two, it's oh no, for week one, it's one response video of at least 30 seconds. But in the very first project that we did, it was a writing response. So these are constantly changing, and it's something that we need to pay attention to. One star for. Oh wait, no. So sorry. Another star that I put down was for modules 4 through 7. We have to record an interview with a different person each week. So that's also very important to me. Let's see what else. Trying to see here. Those two are good. For my square, it says to put a square next to the assignment that you're most excited about. For me, I put it down here. I've always wanted to do my own podcast. Very excited to see how we're going to go about that. So the podcast is very, very exciting for me. So I put that there. For another star that I put down is right here. And this, there we go. It talks about the preferred interview location, saying to be in a space where it gives it more of an authentic feeling. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but I'm going to try my best, and it's definitely something important. So I put a star next to it. For my circle, it's an assignment that intimidates me the most. And the assignment that intimidates me the most is right here. Sorry, I'm gonna get this right eventually, but it's the recording of 10 to 20 minutes. Terrifies me because I don't know if I can really talk that long. I'm gonna try for the 10 minutes for sure, but it seems like a lot of time. Um, Maybe it won't be when I'm doing my interview, but it's something that definitely makes me nervous. Another star that I put down right here. Um, Here we go. It says support your comments with at least one scripture. For this class, I mean, it's human diversity, and it's very easy to talk about ourselves, but to be able to find a connection where we can tie it into the Bible is extremely important, and we have to make sure that it doesn't just it's some random scripture, that it actually ties into what we're saying. So that's also very 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 important to me, which is why I put a star next to it. Moving forward, um, I have one more star. It's kind of probably one of the most top important ones. It's going to be on the last page. I even circled it too. It says, no, a scholar source is a peer-reviewed article. Throughout our project, it looks like we have to do a lot of research and a lot of studying. So being able to get scholarly resources through MyFire or even Google Scholar is going to be a huge, huge, huge thing that I would emphasize on. And it's also something that I underlined. The two that I forgot that I underlined was the audio narration recording and the scholar source are huge that we should take advantage of to help further our educational goals this semester, or I guess 8 weeks, if you will.